All right, I'll be honest. What we're making today is only called a donut because it's, well, baked in a mold that looks like a donut.
This chocolate delight topped with a rich mocha glaze is less dense or lighter than a traditional fried cake donut, and it's much easier to make. Begin with the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, I'm using a gluten-free blend of course, granulated sugar, 100% pure cocoa powder, baking soda and salt, mini chocolate chips to enhance that rich chocolatey flavor, and just stir those dry ingredients with a spoon to combine them evenly. In another mixing bowl, combine eggs with canola oil and heavy cream. Use a whisk to break up the egg yolks and bring all those wet ingredients together. Then, pour the wet ingredients into the chocolatey dry ingredients. Use that whisk again to bring all of the batter together. Break up any lumps of dry ingredients and get it as smooth as possible considering you have little chocolate chips in there. Now, transfer the batter to a gallon-sized zipper bag and seal it shut. Place the donut molds on a baking tray for support and spray with canola oil. Cut the corner off of the bag to neatly pour the batter into the donut molds. This is the cleanest way that I've found to make this happen. And while the donuts bake, work on the 4-ingredient, super easy Mocha Glaze. Heat the heavy cream with the espresso powder until it almost boils, and then stir it all together until the powder dissolves. In another bowl go the chocolate chips and corn syrup. Pour the hot espresso cream mixture on top, and this will melt the chips as you stir it with a spoon. Continue to stir until it becomes smooth and glossy, which just takes a couple of moments. Allow the donuts to cool for a few minutes after they come out of the oven, so that way you can handle them safely, and then just pop them out of the molds. Place them on a baking rack, prepped with paper towels below for easy cleanup, and then just pour on that gorgeous mocha glaze. And then you can garnish with a few chocolate sprinkles, or if you call them jimmies, for a little crunch.
And sure, some may say it's the lazy or cheaters method of making donuts, but I don't hear anyone complaining.
You can find the recipe for Mocha Glazed chocolate donuts and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.